Andreas.
Great. Hello, everyone. So my name is Andreas Böhrnsen, and I'm talking about integrating Phoenix channels into your existing Rails backend. So I have seen that some of you are Rails guys, so I hope this is interesting for you. But also, this can also be used on other backends, so it's not only Rails related. Again, as I said, hello. So my name is Andreas Böhrnsen. You can find me at DeepFlame on GitHub and also on Twitter. I work for a Swedish company called It's in the Node. And what we do is we have a goal tracking system for companies where people can put their goals and they can put in the progress. So what we have is actually a Rails API in the backend. So this is a very simplified overview of our, the app that we have. And we have an API client that's currently developed in Ember.js. And of course, he's a very happy customer. He's using our app just alone. And he thinks everything is awesome because everything is working out very, very fine. But what happens if there are many clients, right? I mean, we know the same thing. So what happens is that when there are his colleagues and he's still trying to update his progress, what happens is they, of course, have no clue what he's doing because they don't get any updates. There's nothing new to us. And they may think the whole app is not so cool and may reject it. So the idea is, of course, we need to push the data from the server. And there are in Rails different ways to do it. You can also wait for Rails 5 to come up. They have this new thing, action cable built in. But since this is an Elixir conference and Phoenix, of course, scales way better, I think, so no offense. So we use Phoenix for the Popsup side. And of course, 2 million WebSockets is just amazing to have on one beefy machine when you can have that. So we use Phoenix then for Popsup, but then the question is, of course, how do we talk from Rails to Phoenix? There are also different approaches to that, but I thought that using Redis is a good thing to do because it's very fast, it's just reliable, and it's out there now for a lot of years. And you could use this Phoenix Popsup Redis adapter that is the official Redis Popsup adapter for Phoenix. Yeah. So, and how this is working then is that the Rails API needs to talk kind of something that Phoenix understands. So it has to speak kind of ETF. ETF stands for external term format, as you probably know. So this is kind of the serialized way of having Elixir or Erlang terms in the binary format, and that will be pushed out then or published to Redis, and Phoenix can pick it up and push it out to the other clients, and everybody's happy. And there's a Ruby gem for that I put together. It's called Phoenix Popsup that you may check out. And as a summary, it's very easy to integrate because Phoenix already comes with this official Redis Popsup adapter. For Rails, we have this Phoenix Popsup thing. But for others, you can also use an ETF serializer. There's one, I think, for Java that also the Erlang guys wrote. And I guess there's probably also something out there for other languages. Yeah, so the idea is that you can use this to bring Elixir and Phoenix into your company. You say, oh, well, you have these different blog posts about 2 million WebSocket connections. I think this is a very good selling point. And the idea then is to, at least for us, hopefully to migrate then some API endpoints from Rails to Phoenix. That's the idea, and hopefully you find it useful. So thank you very much.